This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Check the Thinkpad model, dock type, and firmware because mismatches break features. Once done, plug the dock into AC and verify the power LED. Many docks require 65W or more to supply displays and USB devices. Now close or set your laptop to docking orientation, align the connector carefully, and seat it until the latch or status LED indicates a physical connection. This establishes power, GPO, and docking ID so the system recognizes peripherals. Once docked, you configure ports and displays. Plug monitors into the dock's display port or HDMI outputs, mindful that bandwidth limits may force 4K at 30Hz or 1080p at 60Hz. Choose based on your workflow. Next, attach input devices and Ethernet and test each device to isolate connection issues early. Then open your operating system's display and network settings to enable extended displays. Set the primary monitor and confirm the Ethernet link and IP address so applications and file shares work smoothly. To finish, you install or update Lenovo drivers and dock firmware using Lenovo Vantage or System Update so power management and USB controllers behave correctly. Once updates are applied, reboot and verify that all ports enumerate. If a device is missing, reseat the dock and try a different cable or port to rule out the physical connection. If problems persist, check BIOS Thunderbolt or USB-C security settings and enable hot dock support or allow the dock. This often resolves authorization and peripheral detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.